So now we come to the test of divisibility for 4 and 8. Now why am I clubbing these numbers? Because there is similarity to understanding how these tests of divisibility work. 4 and 8 are very similar to each other. Because when I talk about test of divisibility for 4, the rule states if the last two digits are divisible by the number. If the last two digits are divisible by the number, then the whole number is divisible by 4. This is for 4, mind you. I am only talking about 4. So if the last two digits are divisible by the number, which number? Number 4, then the entire number, however big the number may be, it may be a 3-digit number, it may be a 5-digit number, it may be a 4-digit number, but if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then I don't have to check that that number is actually divisible by 4. So let's check whether the last two digits are divisible by 4. Now in this case, I have the last two digits as 96, 9 and 6. Is 96 divisible by 4? Look very carefully. 4 2s are 8, I will have remainder 1, and 4 4s are 16. So this particular number is divisible by 4. I go to my next number. What is my next number? 10,024. Big number, but I want to know whether it's divisible by 4 or not. I go to the last two digits. Last two digits are 2 and 4, 24. Is 24 divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4 because 4 6 are 24. So this entire number is divisible by 4. I don't have to check. That is the rule. The last two digits of the number are divisible by 4 and the whole number is divisible by 4. Let's go to the third one. 5 and 0, 50. Is 50 divisible by 4? 50 does not come in 4 times table. 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, and 4 13s are 52. 48, 52 doesn't come in 4 times table. So if it doesn't come in 4 times table, then that means this number is not divisible by 4. Now the rule for 8. The rule for 8 is more or less similar to the rule of 4. Because it says the same thing. If the last, not 2, but the last 3 digits, if the last 3 digits are divisible by the number, so if the last 3 digits are divisible by the number, then the number is divisible by 8. For 4, it is the last 2 digits should be divisible by the number. For 8, it should be the last 3 digits should be divisible by that particular number of which I am checking. So for 4, it is the last 2 digits. For 8, it is the last 3 digits. Remember, last 3 digits. So I come here. I just underline this and I'll underline this also to make it clear to you that it's for class. For 4 it is 2 and for 8 it is 3. Okay, so I am just underlining 2 and 3 here also for you to be very clear and specific about it. That for 4 it is the last 2 digits, for 8 it is the last 3 digits. Let's check on that. Now, 31,024. Last 3 digits 0, 2, 4. That means 24 only. Does 24 come in 8 times table? Yes, 8 3s are 24. So this particular number is divisible by 8. Let's go to the next number. 2, 3, 4. This is 41,234. Now I want to check whether 234 is divisible by 8 rather than checking the entire number. So 8 will go into 23 2 times. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I've got 7. I put 7 here. 7 and 4, 74. Does 74 come in 8 times table? No. So this number is not divisible by 8. I hope you are getting it. Let's go to the third example. 29,824. I only have to check the last 3 digits. Remember, for 4 it is the last 2, for 8 it is the last 3 digits. Now I get 824 here. I need to check. Does 824 divide by 8? Then I will know that this entire 29,824 is divisible by 8. So 8 ones are 8. Won't go into, I put a 0. Becomes 24, 8 3s are 24. So these last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So this whole number will be divisible by 8. And so is the test of divisibility for 4 and the test of divisibility for 8. This is how you check for 4 and 8. For 4 it is the last 2 digits. For 8 it is the last 3 digits.